Hi friends, let us do some important geometry problems. Here we are given a rectangle ABCD. The base of this rectangle is divided into three parts AE, EF, AE, EF, and FB. Right, all three parts are same. This is equal to this is equal to this. Now, what is the area of rectangle? The area of triangle CEF to area of the overall rectangle. Right. This is an easy problem. We know area of a triangle is half into base into height. Area of CEF is what is half into what is base. If you take this entire ABSP, if you take, then this is half into this part is P by 3 into height. Let's assume BCS height as Q. Right. This is PQ by 6. This part is PQ by 6. Now, what is the overall area of the rectangle? Half into, sorry, base into height, AB into BC. Right, which is again, this is P and this is Q. So, base into height, this is P into Q. So, area of ABCD is PQ, area of CF is PQ by 6. What is the ratio? The ratio is 1/6. Basically, 1/6 of the rectangle is this triangle. In fact, this triangle and this triangle, the bases are same, right? This triangle's area is also equal to this triangle. Why? Because the length base are same and the height is same, right? Half into b into h. For this triangle also the height is same. For this triangle also, the height is same. So both triangles are also actually equal in area. If we were given to calculate area of ADEC, this quadrilateral, then also we can do that because total area of rectangle minus areas of these two triangles. That's how we should do that.